What we're going to do now is create our circuitry. When we're done, our schematic should look like this. It consists of a small number of components, and all of these components are already available to you. In order to place them, open up the manufacturer's part search panel. Open this panel using the Panels button located at the bottom right of the window. To search for a component, simply enter its name in the search field. When we see the component we want to use, we'll right-click on the component and select the Place button, and then place it where we want it by clicking the left mouse button. To help you with your component positioning, here are some helpful keyboard shortcuts. The spacebar will rotate the component. X or Y will mirror the component on either the X or Y axis. Keep in mind that these actions only work in placement mode. When a component is selected, all of its properties are shown in the Properties panel. That can be opened using the Panels button or by pressing the F11 key. Before moving on, don't forget to save all changes, locally and to the workspace.